I love the arrangement. That's much. I remember you posting a while ago that it's actually in a very, somebody posted it's in a very small area, and it's a big enough area certainly. It's very impressive.
You get it running slowly when it comes round.
That's respectable enough. I'm still getting the hang of this. There's no video camera packed in. Lovely.